In this video we will look at the Motorola DP1400. The battery is removed by releasing the catch at the base of the radio and sliding the battery down. The belt clip can be removed by releasing the catch at the top of the battery and sliding it upwards off the battery. Attaching the battery is the opposite. When you hear a click, the battery is fully secured into place. On the side of the radio there are two programmable buttons. These are usually left unassigned but can be configured if needed. The largest button is the PTT, which when pressed allows the user to talk. Release the PTT when you have finished speaking and await reply. To power on the radio, rotate the volume switch clockwise and set to the desired audio level. Wait for a short series of beeps and the radio is ready to use. The channel switch can be used to select the desired channel. A range of audio accessories are available for the DP1400. They can be attached by folding back the rubber dust cover on the side of the radio and inserting the double-pronged plug into the socket. Then the accessory is good to go. To charge the battery, insert the radio with battery attached into the charger. A battery can also be charged on its own. A red LED will confirm the battery is charging. An orange LED will indicate that the battery needs to recondition, and this will take place before the LED turns red and charges. The LED will flash green when the battery is 90% charged and turn solid green when the battery is 100% charged.